Put your hands together, give them all the love you can. Put your hands together, welcome to stage. You're next up, Therese Mibiru.
Thank you. Thank you for your support. By the way, I'm a mother of 4 handsome boys. They are all under 6. Don't get it wrong. They know multiple pregnancies is one after another. That makes me a full-time mom. Some of you were looking at me and thought I'm expecting again. No, that is my normal belly fat. But I tried to lose it, not once, not twice, but 3 times. As you might not know, as an African married woman, before you lose any part of your body, you have to agree with your partner. I agreed with my husband, I'm going to lose my belly fat, not touching my round chest or my hips, my kwasa kwasa, because I might not be able to dance kwasa kwasa without it. So the first time I hit the gym, I was so excited, and I forgot which part of the body I was going to lose. It's not funny because I had to go. I had to go for the second time. You know, at the gym, everyone has different shape. Some people have the shape that you are already looking for, but they are still there. So the second time I was there, I was busy figuring out what each and everyone was going to lose. And I noticed that I've lost my mind by not minding my own business. Yeah, you think it's funny. That was the second time I wasted. So, you know, breastfeeding while trying to lose weight while breastfeeding is not easy. It was my hardest challenge. So I went to the gym, and I was like, I'm losing belly fat, and I'm minding my own business. So the personal trainer was like, what can I help you? I want to lose my belly fat. Oh, she was like, diet is the best way to go. And I was like, okay. She was like, eat 1 apple, 2 spoons of rice, and so on and so forth. And I started writing it down. And then she was surprised to see me doubling the numbers. And she looked at me and she was like, how comes you are doubling the amount of food you are going to eat? And I was like, don't forget I breastfeed. I eat for 2 people. Yeah, my friend, she's scared of lizard. When we came to Australia, we get all information. In Australia, they have this lizard called blue tongue. So one day we were sharing pictures by messaging, and it was tedious because we were taking forever. And I was like, oh, actually, Bluetooth is quicker. And she looked at me terrified. She was like, is Bluetooth the type of lizard as blue tongue? How do I know? Kids are really fabulous. They are amazing. They make my days, my boys. So one day, we were watching TV, eating popcorns, and then I had the 3-year-old boy, Eddie, and I had the 2-month-old. Then, when we were eating, Eddie said, Mommy, can we give some popcorn to baby? I said, no, we can't. He's little. We can't give him solid food. So I'm like a processor machine. I eat the food, I give him my milk. Okay. And then he said, oh, okay, I got it. And then he gave me some popcorn. As soon as I ate my first one, he was like, Freddie, come drink popcorn milk. Yeah, it has flavors. Yeah, I mean, learning English is very hard. It's not as easy as you think it is. Because one day I told my boys, guys, we are going to the second-hand shop. The 4-year-old Kevin was like, Mommy, which hand are you talking about? The right hand or the left hand? And in the back of my mind, I was like, maybe the left hand, because in Australia, we drive on the left hand. Yeah. Again, I think... I think I'm jealous, mate, because I don't put extension on my hair. Did you know, like, if someone touches your hair, it feels really good? Imagine having Brazilian hair in your hair, on your head, and each time someone touches your hair, someone in Brazil got all those good feelings for free. I don't think it's funny, and I don't think even it's fair. By the way, I'm from Burundi. It's in East Africa. In Burundi, we tend to answer question with another question. For example, you may ask me, "Are you hungry?" And I may go like, "Do you wanna give me some food?" Or another way, even the kids know that. You may ask them, "Is your daddy home?" And they might ask you, "Why are you asking?" So these Western men want to prove it, to make sure it's true story. He went to Burundi. As long as he hit the airport, the first man he met, he said, "Excuse me, sir, is it true here in Burundi, if they ask you a question, you answer it with another question?" And he was like, "Who told you that?" Thank you very much.
One more time for Therese.